Well, another good day. It had a strong session yesterday, Wayne McCurrie.
Yes.
And again up this evening.
Yeah, look, up through 24,000, very strong, really propelled by the US GDP number, as Hilton was talking about, much better than expected. Market was sort of flopping around a bit during the day, but good return after that number came out, and right across the board. I mean, the highlights.
Well, it jumped up right towards the end.
Yeah,
if you have
right
a look on the graph on
yeah.
the Moneyweb website, it shows that at 3 o'clock in the afternoon it was at 24,000, and it closed at 24,260.
Yeah.
So it was a big jump, nearly 260 points.
Now look at what was big. The big risers there. Mondi and Sappi up about 5%. Highveld up 4%. Anglo American up 1% on better than expected results.
Let's just slow back a bit. The Mondi and Sappi,
Yeah.
Interesting, yesterday we had Ralph Butker in the studio.
Yes.
He confirmed they aren't going bust. They never
No,
were going to go
capital,
bust.
yeah.
And at this point, David Shapiro was rushing off to go and see his broker this morning to buy some of those shares.
Sappi, if the cycle turns, and that means the price of paper goes up, because that's all they're waiting for now. If the cycle turns, and we've been waiting 5 years for the cycle to turn, but if the cycle turns, Sappi has the ability to earn 25 rands earnings in 1 year. That's the share price. So, but understand, the word is if.
When it looks like at the moment, even the avowed bears like myself, who felt that this was a little bit of a sucker rally, might be looking to buy shares again.
Yeah, look,
That's always a scary situation to get into, because often people buy it.
But you sell at the bottom and you buy at the top. Look, Alec, who knows what's going to happen into the future? But we know two things for sure. The panic is out the system. So the panic we experienced from October last year through to about March, that is out the system, and it looks as though that won't come back. I mean, the economic data is bad, but it's not disastrous. So the panic's out the system. So maybe then you can make the assumption that the market's not going back to 18,000. Even if it falls again, it's not going back to 18,000. Where can it fall to? Maybe it can fall to 22,000, 21,000. Where's fair value? My own personal view is that fair value is probably at 24, 25,000.
So we're there right now.
So if it goes higher than that, it is going to become expensive again.